In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Jotform with ActiveCampaign. This allows you to automatically send form submissions to ActiveCampaign and streamline your contact management. Open your browser and go to activecampaign.com. Then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click Settings and select Developer from the submenu. Here, you'll find your API URL and API key. Keep this page open because you'll need both details later. Now, open a new tab and go to jotform.com. Then sign in to your account. From your Jotform dashboard, open the integration section and click See More. In the search bar, type ActiveCampaign and select the integration from the results. Click Add to Form, then choose whether you want to create a form from scratch or use a template. Select the option that works for you and continue. Next, choose an action such as Create Contact, Create Account or Create Deal. For this example, select Create Contact and click Next. Enter the API URL and API key you copied from ActiveCampaign, then click Authenticate. Once the connection is successful, select the list where you want new contacts to be added, then map the email field to the corresponding field in your Jotform. You can also add tags or automation if you want to trigger specific workflows when someone submits the form. Once everything is configured, click Save. That's how to integrate Jotform with ActiveCampaign. Thanks for watching.